Hey guys, I've got a little announcement to make. Now before I get started, I just wanted to say, I've been doing this YouTube thing for a couple years now, and I've always tried to be completely honest with you. I've tried to show you absolutely everything. And when I mean I show you everything, I mean I show you everything.
Burgerlicious, so delicious, make those boys go crazy. Oh my gosh.
I've showed you me laughing. We'll build a thing or two. Okay. I've showed you guys when I get hurt. You've seen me build big things. You've seen me build small things.
Checkmate.
You've seen me build big boats. And I've even built some small boats. I built things in cars. I've even blown things up. I built these chairs, and I showed you. I built this sign, and I showed you. But there's one big thing I built this last year that I haven't shown you guys, and that hurts me deeply. I wanted to show you, believe me, I did. But for legal reasons, I wasn't allowed to. You see, I signed an NDA. But the time has come for me to finally let you in on a little secret. I built this giant office building thing. Now before you go getting your knickers all in a twist and being all offended that I built something major and didn't tell you about it, let me explain myself. The reason I didn't tell you about it is because I was waiting until right now. You see, this is a TV. I know it doesn't look like one because I have a fancy TV that looks like a picture when it's not a TV, but see, look. See, it's just a TV. And we're actually gonna, oh darn it, forgot how to work a TV. Turn off. We're gonna be on the TV. Magnolia Network. Ever heard of her? She's this lady, Joanna Gaines. Well, actually I think Joanna Gaines owns Magnolia. I don't think Joanna Gaines is Magnolia. Anyways, there's a network, Magnolia Network. They're on Discovery Plus and HBO Max and all that stuff. Apparently they think what we do here on YouTube could also be a cool TV show. So they partnered with us and we filmed a pilot, which is a TV way of saying we filmed one episode and it's gonna air and then we'll see what happens. So that pilot episode airs this Saturday and you can watch it on your TVs. Those cool box things that are different from a computer. Or you can probably watch it on a computer now too. Technology. Anyways, I'm gonna play a little preview clip of the TV show we made about building this entire structure. It's a good one, and I think you'll enjoy it. And it would be a huge honor to me if you took the time to watch it this Saturday. All the information is in the clip I'm about to play, and of course, I'll put more information on where you can watch it in the video description. So, hopefully you enjoy it, and who knows, we'll see what happens with this whole thing. I'm Jason Hibbs. I build things.
I want to inspire people, kids and grown-ups alike, to think bigger.
It's okay to have fun. It's okay to build nuts things. It's about finding that inner child.
Oh, okay, stop.
Oh.
Hey, his beard is way better than yours. Just like way better.
Pack your stuff and go home, Craig.